The blend door actuator controls the mix of hot and cold air in your Tesla Model S HVAC system. If this actuator fails, you may only get cold air output, regardless of temperature settings. The coolant pump circulates hot fluid from the battery thermal management system to the heater core. Without a functioning pump, no hot fluid reaches the heater, resulting in no heat output. To diagnose which component is failing, listen for clicking sounds from the dashboard, which may indicate a failing blend door actuator. Check your coolant levels. Low levels often point to a pump issue. Use Tesla's self-diagnostic tools in firmware version 2025.12 or later, or an OBD2 scanner to check for codes like P056Z for HVAC control module failure or Tesla-specific codes. If you've diagnosed a faulty blend door actuator in your Tesla Model S, you have several repair options to restore proper heating and temperature control. First, check if your vehicle is covered under Tesla's 2023 service campaign. This recall affects over 1.2 million Model S vehicles from 2012 to 2019, offering free repairs for blend door actuator failures that cause heating issues. If your vehicle isn't covered by the recall, you can attempt a DIY replacement. This involves accessing the HVAC module under the dashboard, testing the actuator, and installing a new one. The blend door actuator is a small electric motor that controls air temperature mixing. Here's what it looks like. This component is typically replaced during the repair process. For professional repair at a Tesla service center or authorized shop, expect costs ranging from $500 to $1,500 for actuator replacement and diagnostic work. However, DIY replacement requires technical skills and specialized tools. If you're not experienced with automotive electrical systems, the risk of further damage or improper installation is high. In such cases, professional help is strongly recommended. For example, in one documented case from Tesla forums, a 2016 Model S owner successfully performed a DIY actuator replacement for about $300 in parts, avoiding higher shop costs. However, another owner in extreme cold conditions needed professional intervention after a failed DIY attempt. A failing coolant pump in your Tesla Model S prevents hot coolant from circulating to the heater core, which means no hot air can reach the cabin. To check for leaks, inspect the coolant pump area carefully. Look for signs like wet spots, corrosion on the impeller, or fluid drips around the pump housing and connected hoses. If you discover coolant leaks during inspection, replacement of the pump is necessary. Additional signs of failure include persistent no-heat conditions, battery overheating warnings, or visible damage like corrosion on the pump impeller. For a DIY coolant pump replacement, the part itself costs approximately $300, with part number 126898-00A. This can save you significant money compared to the $1,000 or more that dealerships typically charge for the same repair. To perform the replacement safely, consult Tesla-specific online forums or detailed repair guides for step-by-step instructions. Make sure you have the necessary tools and mechanical experience to complete the job without causing additional damage to your vehicle. Tesla increasingly uses over-the-air updates to recalibrate actuators and improve HVAC system performance. These updates can fix minor glitches that affect heating and cooling. Always ensure your Model S is running the latest firmware. Check the Tesla app or vehicle software to install available updates. These updates often include predictive alerts that warn you about potential failures before they occur, allowing proactive maintenance. Tesla's AI diagnostics, integrated into the mobile app, analyze your driving patterns to predict potential HVAC issues, helping you address problems before they become major. Regular maintenance can prevent future HVAC problems in your Tesla Model S. Start with annual diagnostics, especially if you live in a cold climate where heating demands are higher. Annual diagnostics help detect issues with the blend door actuator or coolant pump before they cause complete failure. This is particularly important in cold regions where the electric heating system works harder. Keep the cabin air filter clean to ensure proper airflow through the HVAC system. A dirty filter filled with dust, leaves, and debris can restrict ventilation and put extra strain on the system. Compare a dirty filter that's clogged with debris to a clean, new one. Regular replacement prevents reduced heating or cooling performance and helps maintain overall system efficiency. Monitor your Model S HVAC system for warning signs like unusual noises from the actuators, temperature fluctuations, or inconsistent airflow from the vents. These symptoms could indicate blend door actuator failure or coolant pump issues. Addressing them promptly prevents small problems from escalating into costly repairs. For early Model S vehicles, consider climate-specific maintenance due to actuator corrosion from road salt in winter conditions. In cold climates with salted roads, the blend door actuators can corrode, leading to failures. Regular inspections and protective measures help prevent these issues. Before attempting any repairs, always check your Tesla warranty coverage first. HVAC components may be covered, especially if your vehicle is still under the original factory warranty. HVAC components, such as blend door actuators and coolant pumps, are often covered under warranty, particularly for vehicles within the first few years of ownership. Extended service agreements can provide additional coverage beyond the basic warranty period. Check the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website for any open recalls related to Tesla Model S HVAC systems or blend door actuators. In 2023, Tesla issued a service campaign for certain Model S vehicles where the HVAC blend door actuator could fail, affecting over 1.2 million vehicles globally. Tesla offers free repairs under this recall. Extended service agreements can provide additional coverage for HVAC repairs beyond the basic warranty, often available for a monthly fee. Tesla often covers repairs under recall campaigns, saving owners significant costs compared to out-of-pocket repairs, which can range from $500 to $1,500. Future Tesla models, like the Cybertruck and next-generation vehicles, are adopting advanced heat pump technology, virtually eliminating blend door issues. Expect increased reliance on software-driven solutions and predictive maintenance. As EVs become more prevalent, HVAC reliability will be a key differentiator, pushing Tesla towards proactive maintenance subscriptions and enhanced energy recovery systems to minimize battery drain from heating.